front triangle, there's a little twist to this one, so watch carefully. As we know, we're going to be working, we've got our parting on our right hand side and everything is coming back. So really, really easy, but have a little watch at what I'm going to do. So I'm going to zigzag part. So just a little zigzag. I want volume, which means that yes, I'm going to make sure that it's on base setting. So nothing unusual about that. And grab my wand, bring it all the way back. So nothing different about that at all. So you keep all of that exactly the same. And we're just going to bring the heat all the way through. So that's exactly the same too. The difference is going to be before I clip it. So before I clip the hair, I'm going to take the hair while it's warm, which is really important, and I'm going to drag it around to where I want it. Because remember, what we're after is this kind of thing. So I'm going to drag this around and clip it to where I want it. All right, so you've basically got, instead of having the little hollow, if you like, at the sides, I've dragged it around and it's at the front, which means that you've dragged this little area around. So let's do the second section at the front. And there's nothing stopping you if you've got really thick hair, there's nothing stopping you doing that in 3 sections.